Hello, Prep 2, with you, Miss Awatef Elmeleegy, your math teacher. We are going to explain Lesson 1, Unit 1, Algebra, the cube root of a rational number. We should know the square of any number. Product of any number by itself 2 times called the square of this number. 5 times 5 equals 25, so 25 is the square of 5. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 is the square of 3. Inverse of finding the square root, called the square of number called the square root. Inverse of finding the square of number called square root. Square root of 25 means get the number which multiply by itself 2 times, you get this number. So square root of 25 equals 5. Square root of 9 equals 3. Cube of any number. Product of this number by itself 3 times. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. 125 is the cube of 5. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So 27 is cube of 3. Inverse of finding the cube called the cube root. To get cube root of 27, find the number which multiply itself 3 times equals 27. Cube root of 27 equals 3. Cube root of negative 8 equals negative 2. Notice that the cube root of any number has the same sign of this number. Cube root of positive will be positive. Cube root of negative will be negative. Sum square of some number. Square of some number. Square of 1 1. Square of 2 4. Square of 3 9. Square of 4 16. All of this number called the perfect square. Perfect square because we find the number when we multiply it by itself 2 times, we get the number. Sum cube of some number. Cube of some number. Cube of 1 1. Cube of 2 8. Cube of 3 27. Cube of 4 64. All of these number called perfect cube. Perfect cube because we get number when we multiply it by itself 3 times, we get this number. Find the cube root of negative 343. Cube root of negative 343 equals negative 7 because negative 7 times negative 7 times negative 7 equals negative 343. If you don't remember that 7 times 7 times 7 equals 343, you can use your calculator to get any cube root by using 2 keys, shift square root. When we use shift square root, we get cube root to any number. Cube root of negative 27 a power 6 equals, in the first we get cube root of negative 27, then we get cube root of a power 6. The result will be negative 3 a power 2. Cube root of 64 over 125. In the first we get cube root of 64 and we will get cube root of 125. The result will be 4 over 5. Cube root of negative 2 and 10 over 27 equals. And the first we convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. It will be cube root of negative 64 over 27 equals negative 4 over 3. Cube root of 8x power 3 equals 2x. Cube root of negative 8 over 27 equals negative 2 over 27. Some remarks. Cube root of x power 3. When we get cube root to any number power 3 will delete cube root. the result will be the same number. So cube root of x power 3 equals x. Cube root of a power 3 equals a. Cube root of a power 6. We will divide this power 6 by 3. The result will be a power 2. Cube root of x power 9. To get the result, divide 9 by 3 equals x power 9 over 3 equals x power 3. Cube root of 27 x power 9. In the first we get cube root of 27, then we get cube root of x power 9. The result will be 3x power 3. Find the value in each of the following equation. In the first equation, cube root of x minus 3 equals negative 1. We keep number in side and we keep symbol in another side. We will move negative 3 to the other side. When we move negative 3 to the other side, we will change the sign. Cube root of x equals negative 1 plus 3. Cube root of x equals 2. To get value of x, we get number. When we take cube root to it, we will get 2. By taking power 3 to both sides. When we take power 3 to both sides, we get x equals 8. The second equation, x power 3 plus 5 equals 32. Move both the 5 to the other side and change the sign to 5. X power 3 equals 32 minus 5. X power 3 equals 27 by taking cube root to both sides. X equals 3. I hope you understand. See you in another video. Goodbye.